you get a picture of that model when they're airborne. Then you can appreciate the cars, all kinds of different shapes and angles, and how they started to do all kinds of funny things. Okay, Charlie's ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's have swamping. Jump number 2 in 3, 2, 1, go! Some seriously grand cars.